Class 10 children, welcome to today's online class. So today we are going to learn a new chapter, chapter 8, matrices. So before I begin this chapter children, I would like to say a very important thing regarding this chapter. In your ICC examinations, you get at least 2 questions from this chapter, and these 2 questions may have 6 to 7 marks. So that means when you learn this chapter very carefully, very properly, you get 6 to 7 marks. So which is actually a very good score. So children, be very attentive, learn this chapter and try to score those 6 to 7 marks. So here I begin this chapter children. So before I begin matrices, I would like to say what is actually matrices. Actually matrices means there is a rectangular symbol, it's a rectangular formation in which inside the rectangular symbol few elements, few numbers, few digits are fed inside. So such formation is called matrices. So here I will give you one example. Like you can see one symbol of matrix you see here, and in this symbol of matrix, inside the matrix you find 2, -6, 2, 0. So such formation is called matrix. So here you can see 3 matrices. So by seeing this symbol, by seeing this formation, you understand that this is a matrix chapter. So now my first question here is given A equal to matrix 2, -6, 2, 0. Value of B is -3, matrix -3, 2, 4, 0. Value of C is matrix 4, 0, 0, 2. Then this 3 A, B, C value is given. Find matrix X. You have to find the value of matrix X such that the relation given here is A plus 2X equal to 2B plus C. So from this relation, the value of A, B, C is given. You have to find the value of X. So let us try to find the value of X. And one more thing I want to say you children, here the horizontal line, that is this kind of formation, is called rows, ROWS. So here 2, -6 is first row, 2, 0 is second row, and the vertical formation is called columns, COLUMNS, columns. That is this 2, 2 is first column, -6, 0 is second column. So when there are 2 rows and 2 columns, such type of matrix is called 2 into 2 size matrix. So these all 3 matrices are 2 into 2 size matrices. So here my solution begins. So I wrote this given part. The given part is A plus 2X equal to 2B plus C. Now next what I will do, I will put the respective value of A, B and C. The value of A is matrix 2, -6, 2, 0 plus 2X will be same because the value of X is not given. We have to find the value of X. Then 2 into B. 2 into B means value of B will be -3, 2, 4, 0. Value of B plus C, and value of C will be 4, 0, 0, 2. So now as you know, we have to find the value of X. So this matrix will go that side, but before I put this matrix that side, I take it to the right hand side. First of all, I will multiply this 2 with the interior numbers, and then I will add these 2 matrices because there is addition here. So now here I will be writing the same thing, that is 2, -6, 2, 0 plus 2X equal to, next one you have to multiply here this 2 with the interior elements. So 2 3s are 6, but there is minus, so I will write -6. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. 2 into 0 is 0. Anything multiplied with 0 is 0. Any number multiplying with 0 is 0. Rest I will write same, that is plus 4 0 0 2. So now you can see these two matrices can be added because there is addition here. So I will add these two matrices. So now I will write the same thing here, that is so now I will write here the same thing, that is 2 minus 6 2 0 plus 2x. Now it's time to add these two matrices. So it's very important how we add matrices. Now while adding, what we do, the first element is added with first, second element with second, third element with third, fourth element to be added with fourth. So that means it's time to add minus 4 and this plus it's time to add minus 6 plus 4. It's very easy to know what is the result of minus 6 plus 4, children. It's very easy, it is minus 2, because 6 minus 4 is 2, but the larger number is 6 and its symbol is minus, so that minus symbol will come here. So 6 minus 4 is 2, but why minus 2? Because the larger number is minus. That is 6 is the larger number and its symbol is minus. So that's why our result will be minus 2. So minus 6 plus 4 will be minus 2. 4 plus 0 will be 4. Anything multiplied with 0 is 0, but anything adding or subtracting with 0 is not 0, but it is the number itself. That is 4 plus 0 is 4 itself. 8 plus 0 will be again 8 here, and 0 plus 2 will be 2. So here these two matrices have been added. First element with first, second element with second, third element with third, and fourth element with fourth, and this is our result. Now next what we will do, as we have to find the value of x, so this matrix will go that side. That means it will go from left hand side to the right hand side, and when any element shifting from left to right, the symbol changes. That is, plus becomes minus and minus becomes plus. So here how to change the symbol I will tell you. This is a matrix, and outside the matrix there is no symbol here, nothing, no symbol, no plus, no minus. But when there is no symbol, we say there is plus symbol here. So I will say this is plus symbol here. So this plus will go that side and become minus. So here only I need to write 2x. So I wrote 2x. I don't need to write plus, because in the first place, now if you don't write anything, it is plus, we understand that. So it is 2x. Next, minus 2, 4, 8, 2. Now as I said, this is plus matrix, it will go that side, become minus matrix. So that is minus 2, minus 6, 2, 0. You can see same thing I wrote here. Nothing got changed here. Only this plus part became here minus. Even this minus 6 is same here. Only this minus came because it was plus here. Now this rough part I erase, and here I will make a line. So now you can see here we added two matrices. Now we will subtract two matrices, because there was plus symbol in the middle here, there is minus symbol in the middle here. So in this question we are able to add matrices, and even we are able to subtract matrices. So now we will subtract two matrices. So 2x, this 2x I write same here, and now here I will subtract these two matrices. So again subtraction also is same, children. First one with first element, second element with second, third element with third, and fourth element with fourth respectively. So you can see here minus 2, and this minus will enter here. It is plus here actually. Minus into plus is minus. So minus 2, and this also became minus 2. So minus 2 is how much, children? Minus 4. Very simple. Minus 2 is minus 4. Minus 4, because when both the number are minus, we have to add them. So 2 plus 2 is 4, and minus minus also, result also is minus. So minus 4. Next, 4 minus, and this is minus and this is minus. So minus into minus becomes plus. That means this minus and this minus will multiply and the overall result will be now plus 6. So I will not say it is minus 6, now I will say it is plus 6. So 4 plus 6, 4 plus 6 is 10, very simple. Now 8 minus 2, because minus into plus is minus, 8 minus 2 is 6. Next 2 minus 0, 2 minus 0 is 2. So here our subtraction also is completed. Now next what I will do, I have to find the value of x. So this 2 has to be shifted to the right hand side. So what I will do, I will write x equal to, and when I will shift this 2 to the right hand side, it will go and divide with every element inside the matrix. But before that what I will do, I will write 1 by 2 and in the next step I will divide. Minus 4, 10, 6, 2. Because it is said any number multiplying on the left hand side, when goes to the right hand side, it becomes divide. Multiplication becomes divide. Like plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, shifting to the right hand side, but multiplication becomes divide. So here I wrote 1 by 2. And now how this 1 came? Outside the matrix, if there is no symbol, it is plus symbol, and if there is no number, we have to understand there is 1. So this 1 is that way. How 1 came? That way it came. Nothing means there is 1. And this 2 came and divided here, because multiplication becomes division. Now what you can do, you can finalize your answer and write x equal to, now this 2 will go and divide with every element. Now minus 4 divided with 2 is minus 2. 10 divided with 2 is 5. 6 divided with 2. So 6 by 2 is 3. And 2 by 2 is 1. So after division, this is our final answer. So value of x will be matrix minus 2, 3 and 1. So this is our answer.